Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Pathways platform. In this video, we will explore essential glide record methods in ServiceNow with clear examples to help you understand them easily. In this example, we are learning how to use multiple add query conditions in glide record to filter records from the incident table. So first what we'll do is we'll create the glide record object where inc num is equals to new glide record and filter the incident table. Next we'll add a query condition. We'll take a category to filter inc num dot add query. We'll filter category network. Then next one more condition will give priority is 1 inc num dot add query priority is 1 and we can give another condition also inc num dot add query active is true will give. Next we'll execute the query inc num dot query next we'll loop the records while inc num dot next and we'll print the output gs dot print inc num dot number inc num dot active dot get display value. Now this output will print the incident number. Active fields will display the value true or false. Now we'll click on run. We found here two incidents. These are two or true. Next example we'll see using contains in addQuery. So what will it does here is it will fetch the incident records where the short description contains the word email. So in short description we'll check the word email by using contains in addQuery. So first the same glide record object will create. This is already the same. And next is in condition will give short description contains the email. And we'll remove other two conditions. Short description contains email. In short description it contains the word email. And next we'll execute the query and we'll print we'll remove this. Incidents tickets are plus inc num dot number. That's it. We'll run this. Yes. These tickets which in short description which contains email. If we want, we'll check that. In incidents, the word email. Yeah, these 8 tickets which we found here. Next example, we'll see to get the total row count. Here we'll print all matching incident numbers and then we'll calculate the total number of records returned. So for this, GlideRecord object where inc num equals to new GlideRecord with an incident table. And then inc num dot, will query it, execute the query, and then while inc num dot next, we'll just print the number, incident numbers. Here actually we'll get all the incident numbers, so we'll give a filter condition here. So inc num dot addQuery category is network, GSE dot print inc num dot number, and to get the total row count, we'll print here GSE dot print total row count is print. To get the total row count, we'll give inc num dot get row count. That's it. Now we'll print this. Oh, some error. Sorry, here inc number it should be. Yeah, we got the number. Total row count is 5. This is how we get the total row count. Next example, we'll see add encoded query. So by using encoded query, instead of multiple add query, we can use encoded query. So how to do this, we'll see. The same example, instead of add query, we'll use add encoded query. So to add the encoded query, what we'll do is in incident table, we'll give a filter conditions here and copy the query from here. We'll give filter conditions here. Short description contains email and state is new and active is true. Run this. We found two incidents, 9005 and 058. So copy this query and in the code, instead of add query, we'll give add encoded query and paste the query here. The query which we have copied from the incident, copy that and paste it here, and that's it. Run the script. Yeah, we found those two incidents, 9005 and 0058. This is how we find encoded queries are shorter, faster, and common in real-time projects. Next example, we'll see to print the latest created file records. So here it fetches the file latest incident based on the creation date. We'll use here order by descending and we'll set the limit to 5. So to do this, we'll create the same GlideRecord object and give a add query here. We'll remove this and give an add query where category is software and execute the query. Next we'll order by descending inc num dot order by descending by creation date we have told, so it is sys underscore created on and then inc num dot set limit to 5. Yeah, that's it. We'll run and see. Yeah, these are the 5 incidents which are latest created records. Next example, we'll create a new record using insert. First we'll prepare a new record and then we'll set the field value, like we'll set short description and set the field message like this is a new record, and then we'll apply insert so that the record will be inserted to the database. And when we use insert, business rule flows and SLAs will also trigger. So we'll see how to create this. We'll remove all this. And we'll give inc num dot new record and then we'll set the field value inc num dot short description is equals to, we'll set the field message like this is new record, and then we'll insert it inc num dot insert. That's it. We'll run this. Yeah, we can see here it is inserted, and we'll check, reload this. Yeah, we can see here this is new record which is inserted. This is how we insert new record to the table. Next example is create record and print the sys ID. So here first we'll create the GlideRecord object. For the incident table, and then we'll initialize a new empty record to the incident table. We have initialized the new record, and then we have set the short description, field message, and then we'll return the insert to inc sys underscore id equals to inc num dot insert. So this method will return the sys id of the newly created incident, and the sys id is stored in inc sys underscore id. And next we'll print this js dot print inc sys underscore id, and then we'll run the script. Yeah, here we found the sys id for new inserted record in the incident table.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech Pathways platform. See you in the next video. Happy learning. Thank you.